Hi everyone, and welcome back to Evelyn and Peter. Today I'm going to show you guys how to work a foundation half double crochet. So to begin, just create a slip knot and then insert your hook and pull tight to secure. And to start this stitch, you need to chain 2, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And then to begin, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that first chain that you made, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through that first loop on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's 1 half double crochet, and then again, yarn over, and you can see on the bottom it created a little V, and that's where you're going to be inserting your hook. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Again, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through that first one, and then yarn over, pull through all 3. And then again, it created a V. That's where you insert your hook. So yarn over, insert your hook under that little V, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through that first loop on your hook, and yarn over, pull through all 3. Made 3 half double crochets, so you can see the 3 V's, and then again just insert your hook into that last one, repeat the same thing, and then just do this for as many half double crochets as your pattern calls for. And I'll show you guys again. And you can see that it's creating a little row of half double crochet stitches with the chain stitches below. Very easy. And to start the second row, you would just do it the same as usual. So chain 1, turn your work, and then you can go ahead and keep working your half double crochet stitches or whatever stitch your pattern calls for back down the row as normal. And that's it. That's foundation half double crochet stitch.